Hello. So let's take a look at some of the advanced reporting features. We'll take a look at formulas and scripting. So let me launch the organizer here. Keep and run it. And let me open up a report that we could use to demonstrate these features. So this is a master detail report that we looked at how to make one earlier. So what I want to do is to add some of these missing fields. First, let me bring up the formula builder. So add a new formula. We call item total. And then let me look at all the columns that are available. I'll pick unit price multiplied by quantity and test the syntax. Looks like it's correct, so hit OK, and then I want to insert this into this cell right here. So now if I preview it, I will see the total. Basically right now I'm multiplying quantity times unit price. But you notice that I actually also have stain price that I need to add, but not all the line items include stain price. In this case, these two actually include stain price, but some may not include stain price, so I need to find a way to make that. And to do this, I will use scripting. So let me open up the scripting dialog box. So add a new script, and let's call this stain check. Okay, and I want to add the logic here. If parentheses, and I can pick fields from here. If stain is equal to true, then I will change the value or set the value of the cell to a formula that looks like this: unit price plus stain price, and just put a plus sign in between. Unit price, see, plus stain price. I need to close the parentheses here, and then add times quantity, times the quantity, which is this field right here, and else also want to put a bracket there, else the logic would be basically just the unit price times the quantity. So like that, and let's test the let's see if it it's okay. Looks like it's syntactically correct, so let's say okay, and then we will apply it to this field. Alright, and then notice that when we preview it, the value is now correct by including the stain price as well. So I'll add one more formula, and that is the subtotal. So let me go ahead and bring up the formula builder and say new, and I give it a name, subtotal. And basically I'll be using a numeric function which will be the sum function here. I select it, and then I want to add the field that I want to sum on, and in this case is the item total. Let's see. Okay, I test it, it's syntactically correct, and then I will insert it into this cell right here, and then when you preview it, you notice that you have the item totals added up as a subtotal. So for tax and grand total, I guess we'll leave it as an exercise for those who want to try it himself or herself. So this concludes the